Kanong ba Shillong kalayo ban penlong ya ke program ke ba arsengi halor ke National Conference on Nextgen Administrative and E-Governance Reforms bala pelong dekat Department of Administrative Reforms and Public Grievances hapo ke Ministry of Personal Public Grievances and Pensions Sarkar India ringkat ke Jingiaroh ba ke Sarkar Meghalaya kalasdang patba hne ke sengi ha Shillong. Yakini ke Jingiaroh lapli patba da Jitendra Singh, Minister of State, jangka Ministry of Science and Technology, Ministry of Earth Sciences, Prime Minister's Office, Ministry of Personal, Public Grievances and Pensions, Department of Atomic Energy, but Department of Space. Hakini ke Jingiaroh, ladon langru u Konrad ke Sangma, Menteri Rangba ke Jela Meghalaya, Dr. Shakil Ahmad, Chief Secretary Khubor, lembat ke Head Officer na ke DARPG but ke Personal Department. Haba jingkren, Dr. Jitendra Singh uloong ba ke Sarkar Pedeng, kadang persyang ban penlong ye ki National Conference ha Khubor beper ban penklan ye ke Jingiaroh bat Khubor bat ban penbaha ye ke rukam sensyar pat ba. Haka jingkren jeng Menteri Rangba Khubor Konrad ki Sangma, uloong bekeni ke National Conference ke penpawi ke jingdan kamban wanra ke jingkala ha guru Pyntreikam bat ke e-governance ban penbahai ke jing syakri pat ba. Uloong bekejing ke bakraw tam kalong ke jing persya ke jingkala ba ke jing shepting ban wanra ke jing wat thamai. Henry la banjur bari ban sedang de ke jingkala ki berit Henry ki bala ban wanra ke jing yo jingerap ke bakraw.
And the most important things are in culture, khana, habits, and the and then sir, हमारा match है sir. तो जब भी लोग देखते हैं तो हाँ सिमिलर लगता है. अब हाँ exactly sir. अब तपन लगता है थोड़ा longer night, there's no cooperatives. Yes, sir. All cooperatives and good look, looks good, sir.
इसका market linkage करके every year it goes to the business.
I want to visit it once.
Please, sir. What they did is in the riverfront, they still calling so they started business to do that and give them the earnings.
This is that black clay pottery. No machine, but only by hand.
वीडियो भी बनाना वीडियो भी बनाना
Yes, sir.
Let us welcome them with a resounding sound of applause. These mementos, sir, are sourced from our local artisans. I would also like to request the Secretary to felicitate Shri Puneet Yadav, Additional Secretary, DARPG. Finally, I would
the very outset, I would like to
once again thank and welcome Dr. Jitendra Singh ji for having selected Shillong to host this particular national conference. Friends, today's national conference on a very important aspect of e-governance reforms, overall administrative reforms, I think is something that we all are very, very familiar with. The biggest challenge that comes when we are trying to make a difference and improve things is the entire resistance to change. The entire aspect of getting comfortable with the way things have been going on in the past. And sometimes having a small concern, or even I may use the word fear, to even propose a change, because that change may actually turn out to be not that positive and nobody wants to take the blame. With this background of trying to change and improve administration, bring in the reforms we would like to, these basic aspects of, if I may say, human nature, and obviously the culture of administration, I think is something that we all must try to overcome. So therefore, I think the first thing we start with, and this is something that I've always shared, especially with my team, is that let us not be adverse to change. We must work towards figuring out how to improve things. That's really what we're trying to do. How to make it simpler, how to make it more efficient, how to make it very easy for the public, and remove the bottlenecks, remove the different hurdles that sometimes are just lying there unnecessarily. I was just traveling with the Honorable Minister. We were coming down from the Air Force base. And I was sharing with him that apart from the 4-laning that has been done from Upper Shillong side, very soon we'll be having the 4-laning from the Rilbong Junction, I mean those of you who know it, where the museum, Rhino Museum is. And we'll go through Anjali Point, Laban Junction, all the way to Parik. It's about 1 kilometer. But there is a lot of army land that's there. And so we need to get the NOC. We are very close to getting it. In fact, we have already verbally agreed to it. It just has to be minuted. And that's how things are in our system. It's just so massive and just so complicated that sometimes there are so many rules which actually we don't even need. So let me get to the point. I think the point is very simple. You must make a start somewhere. And trust me, it is not that difficult. And sometimes changes are not about big changes. It's not about a massive decision or a major rule that is being changed. Sometimes it's just a small system within your office itself of how you cut down procedures within your system itself. And slowly and steadily you realize that that same system is actually applicable maybe for the entire department or maybe for the entire government. So my first suggestion would be, you must start at your own level, at your own individual self and in your own office structure. And obviously try to improve things. Remember, bringing a massive change requires a lot of inputs, which of course should happen. I'm not saying it shouldn't. But even every small change is something that will add, and share it. And I hope that in this particular conference, we don't just share about big changes that we're trying to do. Even the small changes that we make a difference. But then what we realized, and what I felt, was it's not just enough to have a technology that will help you connect with the people. You need to have a system and a process in which you can make it very easy for people to connect. So I just decided one day, well, the easiest way for me to connect with the people is just go to the people and ask them, what do you want? And just ask them, what is your problem? And have the entire team, all the directors of all the departments, all the deputy commissioners on the stage with me, while there are 2,000-3,000 people asking questions. And like an assembly question and hour session, the officials answer the question there and then. That's why I was saying that some people don't like it, because maybe the officials don't like it too much, being put on the spot. But I enjoy it because I'm like the speaker of the house, you know. I just ask the question that I please answer, and I moderate. But this entire system has actually created a sense of kind of connect, which I've been wanting to do with the people, of not just me, but the entire government machinery to the people at large. And the suggestions that come in for these CM Connect programs are actually ideas which help us to reform and bring changes in departments, resolve issues. And the CM Connect program happens anywhere. You know, I keep telling people, all these reforms will mean nothing. Technology is only as good as it serves the purpose. If you as an individual are not going to have the heart and mind to actually care about the individuals who are there in front of you, that are you able to help them? Are you able to make a difference in their lives? Are you actually caring for them? And actually, are you smiling while you are working? Or do you have a grumpy face while you're working? I think the reform starts right there. It starts with the small things that you do. And I think if every single official and every single politician, I think will start feeling that, I think we're looking at a major reform taking place in our system.
I'm once again back in Shillong. It's great being here, but even more gratifying is to share the platform with you and to be in your company for a while. And I would not sound officially correct if I say that the choice of this venue was also motivated to a great extent by Mr. Samla being the Chief Minister of Meghalaya. Why holding these national conferences in different parts of the country? In fact, we started this because I just suggested to the then secretary, I said, can we move out of Jingiaroh? Because most of these events were actually held in Jingiaroh. It's very easy to hold them because everything is in place. You just have to book the hall. And then we started moving out. We have gone to Ladakh as far as the north. We got to Chennai, Hyderabad, northeast. Of course, we went up to Pyntreikam. I said, we should not be one of those touching Guwahati and saying that I came back from north. And many of the officers traveled to Pyntreikam for the first time. So we've gone to different states, holding national congress, but at a different venue. And that has given a different kind of a flavor, also enabled us to strike personal rapport with the officers, the chief secretaries of different states. And that is how this has picked up, and I'm glad that it has become very popular over the years. In fact, many of the officers from different states complained that they wanted to come. The state government had to leave them. And in fact, in north, we even went up to Kachada. And many of the officers came as much for Mata Vaishno Devi as for the administrative reforms. But anyway, that also, as Cornerji was mentioning, gives you an opportunity to improve upon yourself and to introspect on what you are, where you stand and what you need to do. Now, Prime Minister Modi has a special place for Northeast, as Dr. Sharma was mentioning, that I have been in Northeast because I was there for 7 years and travelled every nook and corner. But I am also witness to the fact that Prime Minister travelled to Northeast almost 80 times. And when COVID happened, he had already travelled about 60 times. And I said in a lighter way, I said if the lockdown didn't happen, he would have hit us actually. And once, with tongue in cheek, I said he has travelled more than total number of times put together by all the preceding Prime Ministers, including the immediate predecessor, who actually happened to be a Member of Parliament from Assam and Northeast. So with that kind of prioritization being given to the region by the Prime Minister or the head of the government, obviously, the entire machinery and the entire hierarchy also places it on priority, because that's a signal for everybody to follow. And if you recall, even last month in his Mann Ki Baat, he highlighted the living root bridges from Meghalaya. And Chief Secretary is nodding. Means it was an acknowledgement of his efforts and the efforts of the government headed by the Chief Secretary and the Chief Minister. And particularly in relation to the tribes, the Khasi tribes, the Jingiaroh tribes. The Chief Minister was mentioning about the various reforms undertaken by Meghalaya. I think one of the opportunities offered by these conferences being held in different places is that we learn from the best practices from each other. And therefore Meghalaya has also come out with a concept. I was actually also complimenting him when we were driving here, the new Shillong administrative city. So I think this is a good complex. In fact, it was tried by Prime Minister Modi when he was the Chief Minister of Gujarat to have everything in the same premises, and now he is trying to replicate it in the union capital as well. So this concept, accompanied by the digital model of governance that is sought to be created over here, is something which was possibly not visualized a decade or so back.